NotebookLM just got a massive upgrade. And honestly, this changes everything. No more starting from scratch every single time. No more copy-pasting the same stuff into AI over and over. This is the AI memory system your business actually needs. Let's go, right? Today we're talking about NotebookLM, and the new stuff they just dropped is wild, because most people use AI incorrectly. They open ChatGPT, they type a question, they get an answer, they close it, then tomorrow they do it all again. Same files, same context, same prompts, over and over. That's not a system. That's just busy work. NotebookLM fixes that. And now with the new Gemini connection, it just became a whole different beast. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to have 4 real workflows you can set up today. And I'm going to show you exactly how we use this inside the AI Profit Boardroom to run smarter, move faster, and stop wasting time on stuff AI should be doing for us. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Every time you start a new AI chat, you lose everything. All the context, all the files, all the background you spent time setting up last time. It's gone, so you rebuild it, you re-upload the documents, you re-explain your business. You rewrite the same prompt you wrote 3 days ago. And for someone running a business or a community or a content operation, that adds up fast. It kills momentum, kills consistency. And it means your AI is only as smart as what you remember to tell it that day. That is the problem NotebookLM was built to solve. You upload your source material once, your documents, your transcripts, your SOPs, your research, your FAQs, and it stays there. Every time you come back, the context is already loaded. The AI already knows your stuff. You just ask your question and get a useful answer. No rebuilding, no re-explaining, no wasted time. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Google just connected Gemini and NotebookLM in a 2-way sync. And this is the upgrade that changes how the whole thing works. Before, NotebookLM was great, but it was kind of isolated. You had your notebook, you had your sources, and that was it. If you wanted to do live research or pull in fresh information from the web, you had to do it manually and then paste it in. That was annoying. Now you can attach a notebook directly inside Gemini. So Gemini can pull live information from the web and combine it with everything already saved in your notebook at the same time. Real-time research meets your personal knowledge base. That's a big deal. And it works both ways. You can update things in Gemini and have them flow back into your notebook. You can update things in your notebook and use them inside Gemini. No more jumping between tools. No more copy-pasting between tabs. The 2 tools now work together as one connected system. For anyone building a business, a community, or a content engine, this is the thing that makes AI actually useful at scale. Quick pause. If you're watching this and thinking, this is exactly what I need for my business, then you need to check out the iProfit Boardroom. It's where we show you exactly how to use tools like NotebookLM and Gemini to build real AI systems that save you time and grow your business. We walk through the setups, the workflows, the prompts, and the automations so you don't have to figure it out alone. If you want to learn how to automate your business using AI tools like the ones we're covering right now, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Now back to it. Let me make this concrete because theory is boring. Here's exactly how we could use this inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Imagine we create one NotebookLM notebook and we load it with everything. Boarding call recordings, coaching session transcripts, member FAQs, community feedback, content roadmap, SOPs, every document that explains what the AI Profit Boardroom is, what members need, and what problems we're solving. All of it sitting in one place. Now, instead of guessing what content to make next, we open that notebook and ask something like, what are the top 5 questions members ask most often in the first 30 days? And NotebookLM pulls the answer straight from the actual transcripts and documents, not a generic AI guess. Real answer based on real source material. Then we use that to write better onboarding content, better emails, better video scripts, better community posts. Can get smarter because the AI is working from real information about real members. You could also ask, what objections come up most often before someone joins? And it will scan every sales call transcript and feedback form and give you a list. That's months of manual analysis done in about 30 seconds. Here's another thing most people don't know NotebookLM can do now. The Studio feature lets you turn your source material into finished assets, not just a chat answer, usable output. You can turn a notebook into an audio summary. You can generate a narrated presentation. You can create visual mind maps. You can build slide-style decks. You can create study guides and structured tables, all from the same source material. The best part is the same notebook can produce different versions for different audiences. If someone on your team is a visual learner, you send them the mind map. If someone prefers audio, you send them the audio summary. If you need a quick overview for a new team member, you pull the structured deck. One source, multiple outputs. That's leverage. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this means we could take one set of community research and turn it into a video script, a slide deck for a training, an audio briefing for members on the go, and a structured table for our internal planning. All from the same notebook. That used to take days, now it takes minutes. This one is a time saver that most people completely sleep on. NotebookLM can now turn messy source material into clean, organized tables automatically. Think about what that means. You upload 100 community feedback forms. You upload 50 coaching call transcripts. You upload a year's worth of member questions. Then you just ask, what are the most common pain points members bring up? And instead of getting a wall of text, you get a clean, structured table. Organized, ready to export into a spreadsheet. No manual sorting, no reading through every document yourself. Just upload, ask, and export. For anyone managing a community or a team or a content calendar, this is massive. We could use this inside the AI Profit Boardroom to track what topics members want most, what objections keep coming up in sales conversations, what features people are asking for, and what content is landing versus what is falling flat. All extracted automatically from real data we already have. Let's get practical. Here are 4 workflows you can set up right now. The first one is a knowledge-based workflow. You build one notebook that becomes the brain of your business. You load it with your SOPs, your brand guidelines, your FAQs, your training materials, everything. Then whenever a team member has a question, instead of asking you, they ask the notebook. Gives consistent answers every time based on your actual documents. No more repeating yourself. No more inconsistent answers from different team members. The second one is a research workflow. You start in Gemini with live web research on a topic, let's say AI automation trends for online communities. Gemini pulls current information from the web. Then you move that research into NotebookLM and ask it to generate a summary, a mind map, a content outline, and a full script draft. In about 20 minutes, you have a complete content piece built from fresh research and your own brand context combined. That's the workflow we use for the AI Profit Boardroom. The third one is a community intelligence workflow. You upload your community call recordings, your Q&A sessions, your comment threads, your DMs. Then you mine them for patterns. What objections come up before people join? What wins do members share most often? What questions get asked every single week? This gives you a direct line into what your audience actually needs so you can serve them better and create more relevant content without guessing. The fourth workflow is a content repurposing workflow. You take one piece of long-form content, a video transcript, a webinar recording, a podcast episode, and you load it into NotebookLM. Then you ask it to generate a blog post, a short-form script, a newsletter, a slide deck, and a list of social posts. 1 input, 5 outputs. That's how you build a content engine without burning out. One more thing, and this one is underrated. NotebookLM now gives you a much bigger space for custom instructions. This means you can build a full persona for how your notebook responds. You can tell it the tone to use, who the audience is, what to prioritize, what to avoid, and how to frame answers. So instead of getting generic AI responses, you get answers that sound like they came from someone who actually understands your business. For the AI Profit Boardroom, we could set up a custom persona that says something like, always answer as if you're advising a busy entrepreneur who wants practical AI systems. Keep it simple. Skip the theory. Focus on what to do next. Now, every single answer from that notebook fits our brand and our audience without any extra work. Here's the big takeaway. The goal is not to use more AI tools. The goal is to build a connected system where your tools work together and your knowledge compounds over time. NotebookLM and Gemini together give you that. Your research, your community data, your SOPs, your content, all connected, all accessible, all working for you every time you open the tool. Stop starting from scratch. Start building a system. That's the difference between using AI and actually scaling with AI. If you want to go deeper on this and build the full system for your business, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. We cover exactly this kind of stuff. The workflows, the prompts, the setups, the automations, everything you need to use AI to grow faster without burning more hours. Link is in the description. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community with 67,000 members who are already crushing it with AI. You'll get all the video notes in there, plus access to templates, guides, and people who are actually doing this stuff. Links are in the comments and the description. Go grab it. See you in there.